Today we are at Ram Off-Road Park, Colorado Springs, Colorado. Here with my Arctic Edition JK. I'm gonna go ahead and see what we can do here. This is the first time I've actually taken her. It's really muddy, as you can tell. But we're gonna see what we can do while being safe. Ooh. So I'm holding this straight. So this is not the most ideal situation. But yeah. Okay. This is not the ideal way to get back in your Jeep. Oh my god. Oh, I've never seen this place this muddy before. Okay. Okay. Well, oh man. Okay, we made that. We just need a little momentum. But that was really close to this side door. Like, I had to fold that in to make that work. Oh, dude, that is so much fun. Here we go. Yep. That was easy. Oh, that was a skid plate. Oh, that was definitely a skid plate. Oh, 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 dang. Oh. Look at that, dude. What the fuck? I'm trying to go up there, but keeps slipping sideways. Okay, alright, we're gonna actually use our max tracks. Took them off. So we'll see how they do. Those are extremes. So, get this. Probably wearing the wrong jacket for today too, it's too fancy. Okay. Alright, here we go. I was literally teeter-tottering over there. So, don't spin them. Sure. Your shoes, get on that. It's not good we're tottering again. I think it might have been a bad placement on my end. Yeah, I think it's just bad placement. Let me see if I can move those. Oh, come on. Come on, Monica. Oh, that's very sketchy. I can't see what's down below. How fun is that? the fender straight into mud. That's not good. I actually don't know where my second max tracks are. That's fun. Damn. I'm just scared to give it gas, so I think that's my issue. Because I really need to spin those treads. There's my max tracks. Okay. I see the second one, unfortunately. There you go. Thank you, max tracks. Ah. Whee. Okay. Okay, so something you guys might need to know about max tracks. When they're caked with mud, extremely heavy. Sorry for the wind noise. So I had to do them one by one. They're like both almost 30 pounds now with mud. I had to hike all the way up that hill just to grab it. Yeah. So I got the max tracks on. Don't mind the wind. I'm sorry, I can't do anything about it. Everything's back. These mounting pins are fine, but one thing I forgot is that these tolerances on these pins are actually very, very tight. So I can't even get this on without cleaning it some more. If I were to do this again though, I definitely would want to go ahead and find a solution to throw it on the rack next time instead of mounting it back on the roof rack. Because it's getting quite tedious. But I'm just gonna have to clean this up some more. Holy crap. Oh, it feels bad. That's good. Some actual rock crawling. I am aired down, so usually airing down helps with these kind of obstacles. Here we go. Everything in the back is literally falling off. So is that mud too? Okay. Trying to see if I can pick a better line here. Let's try the left. Actually using my limb system. Very nice. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is my very dirty Arctic Edition JK. I guess that's not the worst muddy thing. But yeah, those max tracks were giving me a pain to put back on. So definitely, I'm glad I'm out here at the park to test stuff. Look at all that mud. That mud literally added like 10 more pounds to each of those max tracks. So they're up there now. Hey, on the bright side, at least they're not clean looking max tracks. The Broverlanders, you know what I mean. Like super clean max tracks, and then they just haul it everywhere. At least they're actually dirty, so they were put to good use today. But yeah, as you can see, this is literally the first time I've off-roaded at 15 PSI. Her tires are all flat in the rear, which is exactly what I wanted. It does add quite a bit of traction, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, there's all that. Just big muddy. Oh, the mud guards too are they are keeping a lot of the spray off, which is awesome. So those are modified because obviously our fenders are cut, but these are AAV ones and they're doing their job, which is awesome. I did use this today, which is cool. And I'm just making this video before lunch because why not? Now that I think about it, I should have rolled down my windows. And look at that. There's mud everywhere, man. Well, I wanted the full experience. Sucks because she's my camper. Holy crap, dude! Cool, I am drifting all over the place with you. Holy crap. Holy. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. Ooh. That is fun, dude. Oh my goodness. Okay, got a bit of trail damage, but not one that I care about. This is that's free flopping now, like a real mud flap, and that, I know the reason why. It's because that rivet probably ripped off there. Probably hit a rock. Oh no, this too. Look at this. That's not right. It's not supposed to be like that. So that's definitely a no-no. Where does this attach to? Sorry, I didn't chop these fenders, so I really don't know where this goes. Oh man, that kind of sucks though. Where did this go? I have to look at the other side. It's just flopping. Okay, I'll take a look at that. This also broke off, so that's fun. Alright, brake lines are caked. Yeah. I know, like I said, it's windy, but whatever. That looks good. Looks good. One. She dropped the ball. How did this get filled up? I must have hit my hitch on something. She must have hit it really hard. These AAV mud flaps, though, they're sturdy. There's nothing gonna happen with them. It's just the front mud flaps that I'm worried about. Oh no. That has a lot of excessive play on it. Okay. Oh, it's because I have 2 out of 3 screws on that side. I forgot. Yeah, this probably isn't good either. The fact that mud went up into the intake.